Hey everyone! Welcome to Body, Mind, and Money, the channel that empowers you to achieve holistic wealth. Today we are going to talk about one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. If you have ever wondered how to make your money work for you over time, then you are in the right place. So what is compound interest? Put simply, it's the interest you earn on your original investment plus the interest you earn on your earnings. This means that your money can grow exponentially over time, as your earnings generate even more earnings. Let me give you a simple example. Say you invest $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. After 1 year, you'll have earned $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. Now, if you leave that money in the account and earn 5% interest again the next year, you'll earn $52.50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,102.50. The longer you leave your money invested, the more your earnings will compound. Another example is investing in the stock market. If you invest $1,000 in a stock that grows at an average rate of 8% per year, after 10 years, your investment would be worth $2,159 more than double your original investment. And if you let it grow for even longer, the value of your investment can grow even more. So, as you can see, the power of compound interest is truly amazing. Whether you are saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or just trying to grow your wealth over time, the key is to start early and let your money work for you. Remember, small contributions can add up over time, thanks to the power of compounding. So start investing today and watch your money grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to achieve holistic wealth. Thanks for watching.